Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'll be talking about one SQL question, most important question. How do we find the duplicate records? How do we find the duplicate emails from the employees table? The question can be like this: how do we find the duplicates emails from the employee table? So here, example, this is an employee table and we have three columns. One is employee ID, another one is a name, another one is an email. So here we have to find the duplicates. We have to get how many duplicate emails are there. So how do we write the query means? This is a simple query. Select email. So whichever the column that you need to display on the output result, you have to write those column followed by select statement. Select email count star as duplicate count from employees, group by employee having count star greater than 1. Okay. So let us see how the tracing works. Let us see how this query. First, we have to group by emails. So what does group by does means it groups the rows based on the email column. Since we have used group by email, so what it does, it groups the emails. For example, the first is Alice. Alice has the Alice same email ID is there for employees ID 1 and 4. Okay, employees ID is 1 and 4, and Bob also 2 and 6. Charlie also 3. So it groups the duplicate rows. I means if Alice is repeated 2 times, it groups into one with certain employee IDs. Okay. Count star, what it does, it counts how many rows exist in each group. Okay, how many rows does it exist in each group? For example, for Ali's email, how many rows are there? For Ali's 2 rows are there. So it will give as a count as 2. 2 times the email has come, Ali's. So that is how the count appears. And what is having count means? Having clause is nothing but it tells how, for the particular condition having count greater than 1, for how many count greater than 1, if one email is there, that is not considered as a duplicate, that is an unique. More than 1, it is considered as an duplicates. So it should be greater than 1, that is a condition having count star greater than 1. So whichever the columns that is whichever the rows that is having greater than 1, here only these two, Alice and Bob, less Charlie and Eve has only one email. So these are the duplicate emails. This will be the output. So what you are doing, you are displaying the select email count star as duplicate. As duplicate count means it is an alias name. Because select followed by this are the column names. See, email and duplicate count are the column names from employees table group by or grouping the rows. And then you're using an having count star, so that should be greater than 1. I hope this is clear. So this is an result set. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe with your friends.